Hello guys, finally Friday na dito. And nandito kami, Friday na dito sa Denmark. And andito kami sa aming colony. Katatapos ko lang mag-work. Happy ako Friday kasi ibig sabihin weekend na, wala na tayong work tomorrow at sa Sunday. And it's been a while na bago ako nag-visit dito. Ano siya ako guys, ang dami ng mga ang dami ng mga bulaklak, yung apple tree, may apple na akala namin mamatay na siya kasi parang hindi namin inalagaan. But anyway, medyo kalat-kalat dito. Linis-linis pa rin kami. And pakita ko sa inyo yung bulaklak. Hindi ko alam ano ang pangalan nito. Pero, ganda. Hindi kami ang nagtanim nito guys. Nung binili namin, andito na siya. So, every summer nagbo-bloom. Ito yung mga berries na nahulog na. Actually, iha-harvest ko siya ngayon para pag-uwi sa bahay, gawa ko ng jam. Meron din ito. Gusto ko siya kasi medyo sour. Liit ng puno guys. Mas matangkad pa ako. See? Liit.
There's no gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart. Well, why fight it? I was secretly delighted. I gave chase and then I let you win. You felt lovely when you loved me like a fool, but now I can't let go of your skin. You know that I never knew that you are crazy glue, my darling. And I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. You're honey like a finger in the beehive. The bees are buzzing in a tizzy fit, and they're stinging, but I'm singing like a fool, 'cause you're as sweet as a banana split. You're sticky like a hippie in the summer. You're like syrup in the slushy tray. And one touch of you and I will never leave, 'cause I believe I can't get away. You know that I never knew that you are crazy glue, darling. And I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. I don't wanna wiggle loose. Hold on to me, and hand we'll follow. Hold on to me, as if you had a choice. never knew that you are crazy glue, my darling. And I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. I don't wanna wiggle loose. You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough, you mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all your eccentricities. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Oh, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me. You talk to yourself and answer as well. You read ahead on walking.
Ang dami kong ano, ang dami kong nakuha.